Breaking news! Senator Robin Padilla is now urging the Senate to investigate Senator Risa Hontiveros for investigating Pastor Kibuloy. Welcome to Investigation Inception. Ang sabi ni Robin, tanim witness daw si Michael Maurillo. Aba, hindi lang plantito si Risa, plantadora na raw ng testigo. Parang Senate, teleserye na to. Sino ang nag-imbestiga sa nag-imbestiga? Coming soon, Robin Padilla investigates himself. Senate hearing ba to o reality show? In aid of legislation or in aid of the reputation rehab? Ang tunay na issue, human trafficking. Pero nawala na sa script, sinapawan ng drama. Welcome to the Philippine Senate, where justice is optional and clout is mandatory.